Hello friends, you're welcome back to our training videos here today on Chima Educative Video channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to, this is a blogger income course, or what we'll call blogging masterclass for African educators. Yes, so in today's video one of the things you want to look at is how to add videos, images and hyperlinks on blogger posts. If you don't know how to do this stuff, you cannot do it. You watch others do that, you ask questions. So I want to give you this free tutorial on how to exactly do this. So I'm going to take you to my blogger right away. This is already a blog post that I've been posted for now. Remember, three things I want to do here. So I just want to let me add one or two, three things I want to teach you. Once I'm done this, you learn how to do it. Adding video, adding an image, as well as adding a link, a hyperlink. So I'm going to take it after the other. I just want to read this work. So let me start with image right now. Let me remove this particular image because I want to change it. If I want to remove it, I can click like this, and I'm even deciding not to remove it. Okay. See what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm going to resize it so small. In that case, I can easily remove it. That's by the way. I type my delete from my system. It's gone, please. So I want to add an image right now. Just let's take it. If you want to add an image, I'm using my laptop to do this. Just watch. If you look at all of this, once you want to, even if you are not editing your work, you are just posting your article. That is exactly how it's going to be on Blogger. So before you finally publish it, you're going to see everything like this. So you're going to see all of these things. So look at this. Look at this one here. Insert image. Where you have insert image, click on it. And it means that the image you want to insert before now, you already have it in your system. Now you can insert image from Google Photos, or an image you have already used in this blogger blog. Can use it, or you can insert image by using the URL of that image. A lot of people don't know how to do this, so we're not going to go that. So let's assume we're getting an image from our system. So I click on upload from computer. Just watch as we go now. So the same is going to take me to my computer here. It says choose file. I'm going to choose file. I know where the image I want to download is right now. Okay. It's opening up. Okay. It's taking me, my image is under download. And that is this image. I think I'm going to, open. He has done that. So the next thing I'm going to click on this image to highlight it. Then I click on select. Okay, watch now. The image has been pasted. So I'm the one that will drag it right now. Watch what I'm going to do. I'll drag this image. I'll drag this image to expand it to the size I want. This is the newest way Blogger does it. Before now it wasn't this way. There's a way you can increase this size, but now they have come up with a different thing. So hold the edges and drag it. Remember, when you publish this, it should be showing up very well. It's just the setting of my system that makes it to be this way. So I've done that, but you know it's not yet done. I can still edit and set up this image optimization. If I click on this setting, I can optimize the image. You see it? auto text 40. Okay, let me write title text first. 40 tech solutions with free. This is for search engine optimization. What you see me doing is not compulsory, but it's good. I can repeat the same thing, alternative text. Okay, 40 ways to use Google Tools in schools. 40 free ways. It's okay. I click on updates. It's okay. Now I've attached my image. Now I want to also attach a video. Now attaching a video, I'm going to show you something. Just see how videos have been attached. The one you can watch, people can watch inside the blog, not just following a link to go somewhere. Now for instance, I want to attach a video to one of these things. Okay, direct ebook sales without a third party. So I click on, I say, okay, watch this video practice. I want to attach a video on this particular thing I've just written here, that you can use Google Tools to sell your ebook directly without a third party. So I want to attach a video that has already taught how to do that. So let me go to my channel, my video channel. Let me visit my video channel. Okay. I want to get that particular video. Okay, the video I'm looking for is under this playlist. Let me check it quickly from the playlist. It will be easier for me. Instead of dragging it, just let's go through the playlist. So I think it's under Amazon KDP tutorials playlist. I will also find it on free online class.
How to get the most of Grammarly free. It's Kayla on behalf of Grammarly to tell you all about the free version.
Okay, let me stop this. It's okay. I don't need for this for now. So look at the thing I'm looking for. Under this playlist, I'm going to say how to sell ebooks directly and make money. That's the video I'm looking for. Now I'm going to open this video. Please watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do. If I want to just copy this video link to paste the link only, I'll just click on this share. Click on this link. But that's not what I want to do. So see what I'm going to do right now.
Welcome back to
and this site is very important. Let me put off the audio. So watch me now. I'm going to right click inside this video. Now having right click, are you seeing this option loop? You know what that loop is? Yes. Copy video URL. It's just like person like I showed you before. Now you copy video URL at current time. That's the one you are going to choose. So I click on it. I've copied it. Now I go back to my blog here that I say watch this. I am now going to click on this. After, look at this up here. Look at this icon. Is insert video icon. I click on it. They say upload from computer. No. Upload from YouTube. Yes. Watch. Search. I click on search. I now paste that thing I copied. I click on search. The video has come out. I click inside it to highlight it. I click on select, and that's the video. This video can be watched here right away. I've attached video, not just link. You can watch this video inside this particular blog post. Okay, that's how to attach video. Now the next thing I want to do is attach what we call hyperlink. Hyperlink. Now let me show you something. For instance, I want to, okay, I say read this. I write again, recommended. Recommended articles. I want to post some either blog posts or video links here. So as a hyperlink, just watch what I do. I put in, maybe here, I go here to say, okay, how to sell your ebook on Seller. Okay, our KDP ebook setup on Microsoft Word. Okay, I want to do this. I copy this. I now click on share. I copy this. I want to put that particular link here. I say Amazon KDP ebook setup on MS Word. Now watch what I'm going to do. I want people to read this article, but I want it to be as a hyperlink. I've just typed a text. I want to turn this text to hypertext by adding a hyperlink. So I'm going to, highlight it. Now having highlighted, I go here. Are you seeing this? Insert or edit link. I click on it. Having clicked on it, paste or search for a link. Here, I paste that link, I copy it. Now, already I've written the text here. I might say open the link in a new window. So whenever somebody click on that link, it's going to take him to a new window, not inside my blog. So I click on apply. So this thing you're seeing here now has become a hyperlink. Before it was just a text. So you are seeing this text now as ordinary text, but it's a hypertext because there's a link on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a wider world or something else. So let me highlight it again and increase the font or thereabout. No, let me increase it. Okay, I put in medium or even large. So it will be a bit large. It's okay. Can also increase this and make it large. You see 3 things. Okay, it's not large already. Now, by the time I publish this, I can do so many of these things when I want to edit. But let's assume I'm done with this. So I'm going to click on update because I rather on a published work. So what you are doing is updating. You're not publishing new. If you are not published before, it's going to write publish. So I click on publish. Just watch. So that once it publishes, we'll visit it to see what we have just done right now. Okay, now let me go back since he has already updated this. He has done the updates. So let's go back and check that particular article and watch it. Okay, this is the article here. So I'm going to click here, view. Let's watch it from my main blog site. Let's watch this article and see what it looks like. Okay, this is the article now on my blog. This is my blog. You see the image. You see the video. I can play this video here. If I click here now, this video will start going on here. I've seen it. So you can play the video here right now. Not clicking the link to go elsewhere.
Hello friends.
Yes, I put it up. That's exactly how this stuff works. And you can see that link, hyperlink. You can click it here and it takes you to where you're going. So we are going to stop here, and that's exactly how it works. Thanks for watching.